Today I have got some exciting to share with you. We are diving into a logo redesign that, well, I wasn't even hired for, but I couldn't just resist. I recently came across a brand's website and its logo caught my attention. It is for a clothing brand called Sarah that also sells fashion accessories. Now, the logo isn't bad, I mean it works, but from my designer's eye, I feel it could be taken up a notch. It could be more modern and more approachable. So, stick around. I will walk through you the story behind the redesign and show you the process step by step. Let's jump right in. So, here's what caught my attention. The logo icon is actually pretty nice. It is crafted uniquely using the first letter S from their brand name, Sarah. The icon works well, but then I looked at the rest of the branding and I thought the wordmark could follow the same style. Right now, it feels disconnected from the icon. From my point of view, the wordmark would look much better if it followed the same style as the logo icon. Here is the current logo icon. They used a regular S and a flipped one to create this logo icon. They did a great job, but I wanted to tweak it a little. My goal was to take the style of the S and apply it to the entire name, S-A-R-A. So I made some adjustments and came up with a few design ideas. As you can see in all my sketches, I tried using the S to form the other letters. For the letter A, I just flipped the S and tweaked it a bit. And for the R, I took the top part of the S and extended it toward to the bottom. In this case, I used the S shape from their current logo icon to design the other letters. But in my opinion, it doesn't look balanced enough. This one is nice and could work. It is modern but feels like more tech related than fashion. Also, the A is hard to read. This one is one of my favorites. I love how the letters are connected. But again, the connection makes the word difficult to read. To fix this, I came up with this sketch. It looks nice and could work well. This one is also one of my favorites. After reviewing my sketches, I chose this one. I used one shape to create all the parts of the letters. This makes the logo feel more balanced. Now let's enjoy the time lapse of the digital process. I used Adobe Illustrator to refine the lines and make sure each letter had the same consistent style. You can see how the S and A fit into the design, but now the R and the second A are the part of the story too. Here you can see the second A is adjusted a bit to manage the gap between the letter R and the A. This makes it feel more complete. A logo is often the first thing people can see when they encounter a brand, and in the fashion industry it has to connect quickly. The goal is for the logo to reflect the vibe of this brand. Whether it is chic, trendy or elegant, the logo should speak to that. So that's the story behind the logo redesign. I hope you enjoyed seeing the process and hearing the story behind. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more design videos like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.